morning, bird brains! Today is the day of the Texas Moto Meet 2017. I got Dammit Donnie, Uncle Ken, and Ernie behind me. They all live in the very close area. Right now we're going to haul Bud over to the other side of town, which is where the actual meetup spot for the San Antonio ride is. And then from there we'll be riding up to Austin to join the big meets. This day always has some stuff go wrong. Last year, I was gonna go pick up Team Bradley, ended up having the wrong address, so I showed up like 5 minutes before kickstands up. This year, a little not as bad, just because I kind of planned for a disaster, but apparently I didn't make my plans of leaving at 6:45 clear enough. So at 6:45 I only had Ken. Donnie was running late because of traffic at 6:30 on a Saturday morning, and Ernie couldn't get his bike started, so but gotta shake it off. We're all good now, and we're heading over, like I said, to hopefully meet up with a group of about, I don't know, we had 25 going, 90 something interested, so honestly it could be anywhere in between there, so it should be a pretty big ride, and should be pretty fun. Alright, so quick update. As you can see from this clip, cut the clip, I was trying to turn my camera on so we could get a shot of us rolling in, and my camera wouldn't turn on, so that's a thing. Also, as we had the cameras off, we were coming behind a construction truck, and one of those big thick plastic things like that's wrapped around the shingles flew out of the back. It kind of just floated in between us, and we were like, oh god, where do we go? So we split, and everyone missed it, and then right before it got to Ken, it just goes whoo. So he hits that, it got stuck on his mufflers, burnt the mufflers all up. So typical Texas Moto Meet fashion here today, and let's go meet some people. Alright, Ken, let me know when you're in position. I'll start pulling people out. Am I recording? Yeah. You need a screwdriver to get to the battery. You about ready, Ken? Give me 1 second. Let me get the group kind of bunched up, and then I'll give you the go-ahead. Hold up, hold up. Hold up. Yeah, no, I'm waiting for the group to bunch up. Everyone's kind of getting information right now. Alright, Ken, whenever y'all are ready. Oh my god, are you dropping valves?
Oh my god, I might be.
Oh my god. I watch all your videos.
That's really disturbing.
All 5 of them.
That's really disturbing.
I did. So nice meeting someone so famous. So famous. Can't express how happy I am.
I can
Here, say that again for the camera.
I'm so happy I met this man right here. This is just Justin. He's got the most famous channel ever.
Oh, hold on, pose for a picture.
What is it, like 6,500?
We're like 64-40.
I'm fucking close though.
What to do? I will only say be safe and just be aware that not everyone has the same skill level that you do.
You sure your bike's on? Okay, now we're good. Pretty sure my mic adapter is on its last leg. That was just a little bit stressful. Alright folks, hopefully you can hear me. My mic adapter is a little bit screwed up, but hopefully it's still working. We went to go to the restroom, came back, and everyone was already gearing up to head out, so we had to haul ass and get ready. But I think we got everybody. Ernie's bike started, so that was a plus. Yeah. I guess I can turn my Bluetooth on. I can barely do it. It's like... I can barely tiptoe. I guess I'm leading this group. This guy's riding 2 up on a dirt bike. That's something.
That's awesome.
He's pretty scrawny though. I guess small guys could get away with that. Everyone's out of their cars up here.
Yeah.
That's badass.
Oh, we got blockers. That's good.
Hey, a roadblock's up there. Wait, is that a roadblock?
Yeah,
Yeah, it
roadblock.
is. Ironic. Oh, and Donnie. Flipping me off. Got something for him. I just glitter bombed his ass. He should know I come prepared. Oh boy. Shit, where's Donnie at? I don't give a f. I can handle it. Woo! My back shock's like, what the f is this? Oh man, there's some people camping out here. I bet we're about to ruin their damn weekend. And there's people already off their bikes. Like, that's how long this place was. Yeah, definitely not. Look. Oh! Ah! 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 I want it! I want it! Oh, big ass rock. That's sketchy. Oh, that's super sketchy. So here's this asshole that was flipping me off behind me. So I glitter bombed his ass. Hold on, I might be able to focus here. Give me another year or so. God damn. And
So I have a feeling this is going to go on the vlog.
oh, absolutely, yeah. I was recording when it happened. I hope the camera's picking it out, because
Oh my
he
God.
definitely looks like he blew a stripper.